your Korean friend, your Korean language teacher, and the inventor of the Korean alphabet, King Sejong. So if you are excited to learn with me and have some fun, please make sure to subscribe to the Uri Show YouTube page and like this video for more Korean learning together. Last time we were together, we learned what? The foundations of Korean. Do you remember what it was? That's right. 우리 한글을 배웠어요. We learned the Korean alphabet. Something that I know a little bit about because I invented it for you. So now that you know the alphabet, we are going to learn some essential Korean phrases. Phrases that are very important really in any language. Of course, the Uri Show way, I will teach you the phrase and we get to sing a fun song that you could keep singing so you can speak and practice Korean as often as you'd like. So, 첫 번째, our first Korean phrase is ever important. Can you guess what it is? It's something you say when you are grateful for something. That is correct. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. It's a phrase we say all day long, and I will teach it to you in Korean. Thank you is a very important phrase in any language. But in Korean, thank you is so important that there are several different ways to say thank you. And today, I'm going to teach you all the ways to say thank you. The first way, 첫 번째, the first way to say thank you in Korean is 감사합니다. That's right. 감사합니다. If we break it down, 감사합니다. 네, 감사합니다. 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 감사합니다 is the most polite and formal way to say thank you. So let's say you receive a gift from your grandmother. 할머니가 선물을 줄 때 무슨 말을 하죠? 감사합니다. That's right. 감사합니다. 우리 같이 해볼까요? Should we try it together? 감사합니다. 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 네, 잘했어요. Great job, my friends. So if you know 감사합니다, then you are all set because you can say 감사합니다 in almost any situation. But sometimes you might want to say 고마워요. It's another polite way to say thank you. Shall we break it down? 고마워요. 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 고마워요 is another way to say thank you. The third way to say thank you is a little bit more fun and informal. You can say it to your friend. You can say it to someone you're very close with. What do you say? You say 고마워. Shall we break it down? 고마워. 맞아요. 우리 같이 해볼까요? 고마워. 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 잘했어요. Now, let's sing a thank you song that you will want to keep dancing and having fun to.
감사합니다.
아침에 감사, 저녁 때도 감사, 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 감사합니다. 언제나 감사합니다. 감사, 감사, 감사합니다. 여름에 감사, 겨울 때도 감사, 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 감사합니다. 언제나 감사합니다. 이제 두 번째 단어는 Our second phrase today is Help me please, please help me. In Korean, that sounds like 도와주세요. Shall we break it down? 도와주세요. 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 같이 해볼까요, 우리? Shall we try it together? 도와주세요. 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 That's right. Sometimes everybody needs a little help. And it's important to vocalize that, to tell others that you need help. 도와주세요. 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 I need some help. And when it's very, very urgent, you can say, 지금 도와주세요. Help me right now, please. 지금 means right now. So you can say, 지금 도와주세요. 지금 도와주세요. 지금 도와주세요. Good job, 우리 friends. So whenever you need some help, you can say it in Korean. And you can sing it too with this song.
도와주세요. I need some help.
Help me.
지금 도와주세요. I need some help right now. 도와주세요. I need some help.
Help me.
지금 도와주세요. I need some help right now.
우리 세 번째 단어는 Our third phrase of the day is I like it. I like it. Do you like many things? Would you like to learn how to say I like it in Korean? Yes, let's go. I like it in Korean is 좋아. Nice and easy. 좋아. 좋아. 같이 해볼까요? Shall we try it together? 좋아. 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 네, 잘했어요. 너무 좋아 means I like it a lot. 우리 같이 해볼까요? Shall we try it together? 너무 좋아. 너무 좋아. 너무 좋아. 네, 잘했어요. 너무 좋아요, 우리 친구들. 너무 좋아. I like speaking Korean with you. I like singing Korean songs with you. And I like spending time together. 좋아 is a great phrase you can say over and over again about all the things you like. 좋아. 좋아. 너무 좋아. That's right. It's so fun to practice and sing. I hope that you use and practice 좋아 좋아, 너무 좋아 all day long. Point out all the things you like and practice your Korean.
좋아 좋아 I like it. 좋아 좋아 I like it. 너무 좋아 I really really like it. 좋아 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 너무 좋아 I really really like it. 좋아 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 너무 좋아 I really really like it. 난 좋아
네 번째 단어는 our fourth phrase of the day is What is it? What is it? What is this? What is that? It's a great question and it's one of my favorite Korean phrases. 이거 뭐야? Can you say it with me? 이거 뭐야? 이거 뭐야? 이거 뭐야? That's right. 이거 means this. 뭐야 means what is it? 이거 뭐야? 저거 뭐야 means what is that? 저거 뭐야? 어? 저거 뭐야? 어? 저거 뭐야? That's right. 저거 means that. And 뭐야 means, as you know, what is it? So there's 이거 뭐야? What is this? 저거 뭐야? What is that? Now, let's sing a song that's all about what is this and what is that. 이거 뭐야? 저거 뭐야?
이거 뭐야? What is this? 저거 뭐야? What is that? I want to know what it is. 이거 뭐야? What is this? 저거 뭐야? What's that? I want to know what it is. Oh yeah. 이거 뭐야?
다섯 번째 그리고 마지막 단어는 our fifth and final phrase we will learn today is goodbye. It's hard to say goodbye, but not in Korean. Like hello, there are several ways to say goodbye. The first way is the same as hello. You know this by now, right? What is it? 안녕, 맞아요. When you see someone, you say 안녕. And when you leave someone or someone is leaving, you say 안녕. 네, 맞아요. So today I'm going to teach you several different ways to say goodbye. The first one is the most formal, and there's two ways to say it. So it's depending on whether you are the person leaving. So let's say you go to your 할머니's house and you are leaving your 할머니's house. And you look at 할머니 and what do you say? 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요 means please stay and be well. So if you are the person that's leaving, you say 안녕히 계세요. To stay, that person is staying. Okay, shall we break it down together? 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요. 같이 해볼까요, 우리? Say it with me now. 안녕히 계세요. So if you are the person that's staying, and that person, 할머니 is going to her house, she's leaving your house, what do you say to 할머니? You say, 안녕히 가세요. So she's leaving. So you say, goodbye, go well. Okay? Shall we try it together? 안녕히 가세요. 안녕히 가세요. 안녕히 가세요. 네, good job. 안녕히 가세요 means goodbye. But another slightly friendlier way to say goodbye is 잘 가. 잘 가. 가 means to go. 잘 means to good. Good. Goodbye. So you can say this when someone is leaving you. 잘 가. 잘 가. 같이 해볼까요, 우리? Shall we try it together? 잘 가. 잘 가. 잘 가. Yes, goodbye. What I like to say is 다음에 봐요 means see you next time. It's slightly more warm and friendly than just saying goodbye. So shall we try it together? 다음에 봐. 다음에 봐요. 다음에 봐요. 다음에 means next time. 봐요 means to see. So I'll see you next time. 다음에 봐요. 다음에 봐요. 다음에 봐요, 우리 친구들. Good work, everybody. You guys worked really hard today. And King Sejong and all of your 우리 friends are so proud of you. And this is where I will say goodbye to you, 우리 friends. If you enjoyed our video today, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our 우리 page, and tell all your friends who are interested in learning Korean. It's a really fun and easy way to learn this very special language. So, our fifth phrase, goodbye. 안녕히 가세요. 안녕히 계세요. 잘 가. 잘 가, 우리 친구들. 다음에 봐요. 다음에 봐요, 우리 친구들.
This is the Udi Show.